Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be telling you how you could receive $2,500. Not instantly, but you will receive it. It's guaranteed. It's an airdrop. So you can see I'm on the official channel of Worldcoin announcement. Here you can see that they're giving 500 worth of Worldcoin, which is worth $2,500. And if you refer one person, you'll be having 100 Worldcoin, which is worth 500 for each referral. And 19 days are remaining. And the most important thing is you have to refer at least 7 people for the withdrawal, and it's not that hard to refer 7 person. I will be showing you the process how you could easily refer 7 person. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you have to click on the link in my comment box or in the video description. I will be giving you the link, and you have to click on the link and it will take you to the bot. So you have to start the bot. I have already started the bot. So after you started the bot, they will send you some instruction and you will have to join their official Telegram channel. Here is the link. You have to join here. So just simply click here. So I've already joined the Telegram channel. You have to join here. So you can see that everyone is receiving, most of the people are receiving their payment via Trust Wallet. So you can also receive your payment via Binance, MetaMask, Bybit, Coinbase, and other is up to you. So after joining the official page, you have to click on next, and they will send you some instruction. You have to join that Telegram channel. So we have already joined it, and then we have to join their sponsors channel. So we have to click on there, and I've already I didn't join here, so we have to join here. So we can go back now, and they're telling you that you have to put your Telegram name. So we have to put our Telegram name. So to put your Telegram name, simply you can go to your profile. So you guys can see that here's my Telegram name. So you just have to copy it and paste it to the bot. So we have to copy the username. So it's copied, and then we need to go back to the bot and let's paste our name here. So after that, you have to enter your Worldcoin ERC20 address. So how you could find that address? So I will be using Trust Wallet for that. So you can also use MetaMask or any other wallet. I will be show you the process of Trust. You have to click on receive. You have to click on receive. Then you have to search WLD. So you will have two options here. Remember, you have to click on the Ethereum. You have to click on the second option, Ethereum, WLD Ethereum. So you have to click on there, and then you have to simply copy the address. So after copying the address, go back to your Telegram bot. So I'm not giving this address because this address is already given to, in another account. So I'm giving this address. I'll just give something else. So you will have to copy and paste the address here. And then they will tell you to join their Twitter page. So make sure that you do that. You have to go to the you have to go to their Twitter page and remember to retweet the post, retweet the pinned post. You have to do that. It's an important task. So let's go to the Twitter. So after coming to their page, you have to follow them. I've already followed them, so you also have to follow them. And then you have to retweet the pinned post. So you have to go to the post. So you can see here in the top, it's the pinned post, and you have to simply click on this retweet icon and it will be retweeted. And don't forget to copy your username. You have to copy your username and give it to the bot. So if you go to your profile, you will find your username here. So I'm not copying that. You guys have to copy that. So we can go back. So you have to simply give your Twitter profile username. So I already gave my username in another account, so I'm not going to give it here. I'm just giving something, but you guys have to give your Twitter username. So here they're telling you to subscribe their YouTube channel. You can subscribe that. It's not necessary. Then you have to submit your active email address. So you have to submit your active valid email address. So I'm going to just type anything. You have to give your email address. So here you can see that congratulations, now you have completed all of that and all the steps have been done and you are rewarded with 500 Worldcoin, which is worth 2,500. So you guys can be wondering why they are giving us that amount of coin. It can not be a legit. No one is giving this kind of money for free. Worldcoin is already a token, and you can see in their official channel they have 50,000 subscribers. So they're trying to giving away money because this coin is dying and they're trying to uh, make it alive again. So they're doing this. So remember, the most important thing is you have to refer 7%. So you see your balance is 500 and total referral is 0. So this is your referral link. So if you want to refer someone, you have to just copy the link. You just need to copy the link and paste it to someone. So I will be sending this link. I'm telling you how you could just easily get one referral. So I'm sending this referral link to my ID, and I'm going to my ID. Where is the link? Yes, there. So you can see there is the referral link of my second ID. So I will be clicking on that. So if I click start, then there will be one referral in this ID. There will be one referral in your bot. Referral will be shown. So my referral isn't shown because I already have 2 ID with my both accounts. So with this step you can easily fill up 7 referrals and you can withdraw your money after 90 days. So that's it for today. If you have any kind of question, please comment down below. I will be trying to answer all of your questions. So thank you for watching.